Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix unexpected client behavior Roblox. If you face such issue, then you have to follow these steps. The step number one, what you could do is if you're using a web version, then you want to try cleaning your Roblox cache. For that, you want to click on the three dot icon, scroll down to go to settings from the drop down menu. Next, what you have to do is come to privacy and security. Then you want to go ahead and make sure to click on delete browsing data. Make sure that browsing history and cookies and other site, make sure this is not selected, and click on delete or data. You want to close this tab, and next you want to go to site settings. Come to this arrow icon or go to view all permissions, view permissions and data stored across sites. Next, what you need to do is locate Roblox and click on the bin icon. And then you want to close this tab and restart your PC and see that should be able to help you out. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you could also try changing your DNS settings. For that, you want to close this up and you want to come to the settings. So here what you want to do is you simply want to click on the bottom of the screen and go to the gear icon. Next, you want to go ahead and open up network and internet. Then you want to go ahead and locate the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. Go to the Wi-Fi network once again, and you could do it and try changing it to private network first of all. Despite doing this, if the issue still persists on, then you simply want to uninstall the Roblox application, and then at the same time restart your PC. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.